What's up everyone, Aaron Duncan here, Duncan Brothers Customs. What we're calling this segment is gonna be a weekly thing, monthly thing, bi-monthly thing, bi-weekly thing. We don't know, we're gonna try and do this thing called 2 Minute Tuesday, where basically we utilize 2 minutes or more of your time to give you some instructional things. A lot of it's gonna be Mustang driven. This is kind of a special one. Essentially what we have here is something I've been waiting on for quite a bit for our Apache build, modern LS motor and all that stuff. I had my sights set on something pretty big for it. Owner of the truck agreed. This got dropped off early. I had no idea it was even coming today. As you can see, it is from Borla Performance Industries. Now, if it's from Borla, most people are probably gonna think it's an exhaust, but it's something a little more special than that. Let's get this thing open. Oh my God. 8-stack injection system. This is unbelievable. This is a total dream come true. The folks at Borla were nice enough to go ahead and put it together for us. These are supposed to be pretty state of the art in the way they work. Obviously it has the look of a Weber carb setup from like back in the day, or the 8-stack from those days. But the difference is the plenums share the same runners. Instead of having the problems and the bogging down and having to tune these individually, the fuel essentially gets shared the same way. It makes these things much more user-friendly. We should get probably somewhere around 51 horsepower out of this, but dude, you can't beat the look of this. So I'm gonna unwrap it a little more because I'm just too excited. Oh, so awesome. I'm hurting with how much I love it. To give you guys a quick rundown on this thing and exactly how it works, basically you have your fuel rails right here. Your fuel injectors going directly into the throttle bodies. You have 8 individual throttle bodies with 8 individual runners, all sharing the same massive plenum. You got your fuel pressure regulator right here, your throttle position sensor, and down here you have your mapping sensor and your airflow sensor. And as you can see, it comes directly from Borla with the butterflies already completely synchronized. Pretty cool. It's a much easier way to do a stacks injection setup. This thing just, I mean, it looks so sweet. Shh, it's sleeping. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna put this thing back to bed. Oop, it burped. And then hopefully next time you guys see it, it'll be fully grown and on the car. So I'll see you.